Hi everyone, so welcome back to Harshlytix, and in today's video we are going to learn how we can enable Data Analysis Toolpak, which is a very important feature in Excel. So as you know, like we generally use our Excel to calculate a lot of different types of analytical studies. For example, let's say we for a financial data, we generally used to calculate certain metrics like mean, then we generally used to also calculate median, and then we also calculate mode. And there are some other metrics as well. For example, standard deviation. So these metrics are important to understand like how our data sets are behaving. But in this video, I'm not going to go in depth and try to explain all of these things. I'll do it in some other video. In today's video, my purpose is to just tell you one important feature which is available in our Excel, and that can be useful for doing such type of analysis where regression or maybe some descriptive statistics where mean, median, mode, standard deviation, etc. are required in just few clicks. So for this, how to enable the Data Analysis Toolpak, we can proceed with that. But before we move ahead, I would like you to please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell, because a lot of more interesting statistical as well as Excel tricks related video will be available in our upcoming sessions. So yeah, just wanted to need your support in this proper video session, so that maybe going forward I'll be making content which is quite beneficial for your work, for your different types of academic projects and some other related work which is where the Excel is involved, where the statistical analysis is involved. So yeah, now we will proceed with this installation process. So to enable the Data Analysis Toolpak, first you have to go to the file, then you have to go to the options, then in the options you will see this one box which is appearing here. So in this box you have to go to the add-ins, and in this add-ins you just have to check what type of the drop down topic is enabled in the manage section. So it's automatically taking the Excel add-ins. If it's not, then I think there are other add-ins as well, but we need this Excel add-ins. So just see if it is available. It is default. By default it is there, so you don't have to change anything. Then just press the go button, and in this go button we need this analysis toolpak. So as I have already installed the Data Analysis Toolpak in my Excel, so I'll not be doing it again. But when you will open this add-ins box, so in this case all of these boxes will be unchecked, or maybe some of them will be unchecked. So in this case, if your analysis toolpak checkbox is not, it's unchecked, so just you have to click this analysis toolpak and press the OK button, and then it will take just few minutes or maybe just few seconds, so that all the features of analysis toolpak will be uploaded in your Excel sheet. So after it gets uploaded, you just have to go to the data tab, and in this data tab you will see this Data Analysis Toolpak, which is in the right side of your overall menu box. So when you will click this, so you will see a lot of analysis tools are there. So for example, if you want to do certain descriptive statistics where you want to understand how your data set is behaving, how is the mean, median, mode, what is the standard deviation, what is the standard error, etc. So descriptive statistics will give you that kind of proper study, and within just few clicks you will be able to understand like how your data set is behaving. Similarly, if you want to understand the regression, for example, you want to do a regression analysis, so with this regression feature you can actually use it for this particular data set. So in this way, this Data Analysis Toolpak is quite beneficial, and you can use it in your Excel sheet. So just wanted to demonstrate this data analysis toolpak installation in this video. Later on, we will do certain analysis using this data analysis feature, and which will be much more beneficial in your work. So yeah, just this video was related to the installation process. So if you really love this content, so please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and press the notification bell. And going forward, we will be doing some other analysis in our video. So yeah, thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.